In this video, I'll be showing you how to stop uploading photos to iCloud. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Apple device you're using, whether you're on like an iPhone, iPad, MacBook, or anything like that. But what you want to do is go over to your settings application. Once you're here at the very top, you're going to see your name, so go ahead and click on that. The fifth option down you're going to see is iCloud, so just click on that. Then we're going to see save to iCloud as one of the options. Once you're here, the very first option you're going to see at the very top is iCloud Photos. As you can see, my iPhone it says currently syncing under status, and sync this iPhone is turned on. So if I want to stop uploading photos to iCloud, all I got to do is turn this off, and it says, do you want to download a copy of your iCloud photos to this iPhone? And I can just say either remove from iPhone or download photos and videos. I'm just going to remove from iPhone, and it says 1,655 photos and videos will be removed from this iPhone. These photos will remain in iCloud Photos, so I can remove them from the iPhone if I want to, and then yeah, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.